Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with Umkhokha the curse. I might be coughing, this flu doesn't want to go away. But ke bampaqabule ke unobuntu bampaqabula ke ka siZulu barbe. Lena ke asibetha siZulu mara like literally I'm pro in Zulu now. Yeah, but she was whipped, girl. She was whipped, and all because she needed to give imali back. The money that she took from Usbahle, the money was retired back, and the only thing or the only way that they could use is that way, because otherwise they felt to Guti, they're not gonna get the money. Unfortunately, akanayo unobuntu imali. Unobuntu is broke, left with nothing. Even Menga's parents confirmed to Guti, girl, you were scammed by this man and we tried to warn you, but you didn't want to be warned. Ya kunobuntu ke baqeda ukubhaqabula unobuntu, baqeda ukubhaqabula unobuntu, bangena endlini bathole uNdlovu akhona, ubani uSibahle noma wakhe. Ababuza ukuthi hey phela indaba yemali ithini. Umama kaSibahle continued to lie, Ari, we just deposited the money, this and that. So I wonder ukuthi, doesn't she think ukuthi the deposit slip will be required at some point? But ke girl is trying to protect uSibahle with everything she can. However, uSibahle is ready to tell the truth. Shame, unobuntu ke, peace can never be part of her, because girl left, right and center, the calls that are coming in, going out, it's all about the money. You know what? Everybody that's calling is about the money. And she decided to call ubabu. But unfortunately, when Upakatayo responded on the call, unobuntu could not say anything. Will she go back home? Because now Zishubile, Umenga is on TV and they're saying he might be dangerous because he was once a soldier. Like kuzwenzakalani vatakwan. I abona unobuntu ukuthi yabona la, this is just depressing. The only best way to do is for me to pack my bags and go back home. Uzongena na ejardini kibo ngoba sebamdirectile bambonisile ukuthi kukuphi kibo. Will she enter those gates considering how she left? Yo kube uMabusi ke, Mabusi ahambe ayoxoxela uZamqolo amtshele zona kahle ukuthi hey phela into ayenzile ukhulekane ibe kuyisimanga, angasajabulanga uZamqolo. I just love how he gets so happy and excited for his brother, and he was like, yo, I wonder how our children will be, because now I'm powerful. Khulekani is powerful. Nomafu, you are powerful. Like Umvelasi has given us so much power, you know what? So I wonder how our children will be if we have so much power. Then what about them? And I love the fact that Uzamqolo said the first thing that I need to do when I see Khulekani is to congratulate him for using Christ to heal Ungema. Ayike uMabusi ahambe aye kuKhulekane amhalalisele ukuthi hayi shem yazini siyakhalalisela uNkulunkulu kusebenzisile. Ayivela abe humbled uKhulekane asho ukuthi udumo lonke liye kuNkulunkulu. Aze ke uNomkhosi amthengele uKhulekane i-outfit enhle. Bengamthi beyangayithenga ngabe buya ku dry clean enhle ukuthi yazini uKhulekane a look at the best on his TV interview. And the TV interview, well, he got all the praises, but I liked ukuthi he was reminded ukuthi he must take all the glory back to God. Ngithi yey uKhulekane at this point uye nje umprofeti wakhona, uyumfundisi ofamous, abo pastor laba ba famous bala eSouth Africa le eKZN. Ifamily kaMvelase is very happy ngoKhulekane. Ngithi they are watching him on TV. They are so excited. Everybody is just there, even though they could not go with him physically there because of their different beliefs. But the fact yoguti, they supported, they watched, they did everything, and they were all so proud of him. Showed Uguti, you know what? At the end of the day, blood is thicker than water. But yeah, that's what happened today, or tonight rather, on Umkhokha the Curse. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.